Hey there, Crimson Desert Gamers. In this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can do the Veil of Red Smoke quest. Now this quest is automatically unlocked when you get within proximity of the Fort Perwin gate, and it's very simple. All it requires you to do is to basically defeat a number of the bandits. You don't even need to destroy any buildings for this one. It's a very simple quest to do, and as I approach the gate you can actually see that the health bar on the left has just ticked up. I will mention as well that there is a mini boss here that you do need to be careful of, so bring some food to help heal you up. But all you need to do is go about and defeat around sort of 25 to 30 guards, I think it is, in order to clear this area. Make sure you check both sides of the gate if you can't find enough of them. And there are also several patrols that do populate the area as well that will allow you to get some extra points in if you do need to get more kill points. You can see here in the quest log that it is marked as finished just here, even though it won't show up with a green check mark until we defeat the Crimson Nightmare. But that just about sums it up for this video. I hope that this tutorial has helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if you're feeling generous, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.